Hey guys, welcome to Cookingmojo. Today I am going to make popsicles of 4 different flavors. These popsicles are very healthy, tasty and easy to prepare. So let's begin. First, let's make pineapple popsicle. For that we need few pineapple pieces and ice cubes. The pineapple I am using is very sweet, so I am not going to use sugar. In a blender, add pineapple and ice cubes. I am keeping one pineapple piece aside, we want this later. You may add sugar into this if you want to. Blend this very well. Now filter this like this. Take a popsicle mold. If you don't have this kind of molds, you can also use small glasses. Now fill 1/4 part of this with pineapple juice. I have cut pineapple into small pieces like this. Add this pineapple pieces into this. Again repeat the same process. Add some juice and then pineapple pieces. Fill this mold like this. Now cover this. Next, let's make mango popsicle. For that we need few mangoes and ice cubes. Add mangoes and ice cubes in a blender. If you want, you may add sugar. Blend this very well like this. Assemble this in the molds, same as we did for pineapple popsicle. Fill 1/4 part with mango juice. Then add few mangoes cut in small pieces. Again some juice. This is done. Cover it tightly. Third one is dry fruit popsicle. For that we need 100 ml boiled and cooled milk, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 pinch of powdered cardamom and 1.5 teaspoon of crushed dry fruits. I have used almond, pistachio and cashew nuts. First, take milk. In that, add sugar. Combine this well. Now add powdered cardamom into this and mix. In a mold, add some dry fruits. Then 3 to 4 teaspoons of milk. Again add dry fruits. Then milk. And fill this mold completely. Cover it tightly. Last but not the least, coffee choco chip popsicles. For that we need 100 ml boiled and cooled milk, 2 teaspoons of sugar, few choco chips. If you don't have choco chips, you may use any Cadbury chocolate. Then we need 3/4 teaspoon of instant coffee powder and 2 teaspoon hot water. Take coffee powder. In that add 2 teaspoons of hot water and mix well. Next, in a cup, add milk, sugar and coffee mix. Mix this well. In a mold, add coffee, add few choco chips, then again coffee, then go some grated choco chips. I have grated few choco chips. All 4 popsicles are ready to go in the freezer. Freeze it for 5 hours or till it's set very well. It's more than 5 hours now. Let's check. Run warm water on this for a minute and then try to open it slowly. So all our popsicles are ready. Do try this and enjoy this popsicle in summer. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to my channel.